You can see from the music that we have turned the calendar page to October, and that means student loan payments are due again. On this website, you can see it says get ready for those student loan payments. Borrowers have not had to pay them for more than 3 years. So this morning, we are helping to motivate you to get your finances in order on this Money Saving Monday. I talked with John Edwards, a local financial advisor with Edwards Wealth Management, and he is sharing that when thinking about your future, you really need to look at the big picture.
Planning for your future, you want to make sure that all the pieces come together. So it's not just about retirement or student loans, but making sure that you can get your financial goals met, whatever that is.
And as you are working to meet those goals, this is a website we want to help you get familiar with. This morning, coming up on Today in AZ at 5:30, we're diving in to this website and how it can help you. John is sharing how much one woman was forgiven with her loans due to this new Save plan that's out there. And you can also see what you can qualify. We'll dive into this website, a government website that you can look at to see what some of your options are. That's all coming up right here on this Money Saving Monday. This Money Saving Monday, we are talking student loans because, as the music highlights, it's now October. So payments are due for the first time in years, and we are trying to help you out by letting you know there is repayment help available. What you are looking at right behind me is studentloans.gov. And on this website, you can pull up their loan simulator. It's very simple. You go under loan repayment, you click loan simulator, and once it loads, it'll ask you a few questions. You can work through it, plug in your own numbers. It's basically a calculator that can help you to navigate what options you may qualify for. And this can help you to lower your monthly payment based off of what you make. So I reached out to a local financial advisor, John Edwards with Edwards Wealth Management, to ask how much of a difference can things like this really make, and what does it entail?
And it'll ask about your family size, about your income, and you can get onto the Save plan. And there's actually a lot of forgiveness available right now with that current plan that's in place. I talked to a borrower yesterday, and she's going to be able to get $60,000 of $88,000 forgiven.
Examples like that is why John is encouraging student loan borrowers to make sure that you check your options. With that Save plan, your monthly payments will only be 10% of your discretionary income. And starting next July, some of those payments for undergrad loans under that Save plan will go lower to only 5%. And that payment is recalculated each year based on your salary and also your family size. So you can use this website to know some of your options. And again, that website is studentloans.gov. There you can work through some of their calculators, get the best advice for you. And coming up at 6:30 this morning here on Today in AZ, John is reminding us of the 2 things you should double check right now to make sure your payments get to the correct place. That's important, and that you are saving the most money you can. That's coming up on this Money Saving Monday. It is Money Saving Monday, and does that put you in the October mood or what? As we welcome all the exciting things about this month, think pumpkin spiced everything, all that candy we love, and of course the spooky season. October is also a month that many people have had circled on their calendars because student loan payments are back. And we don't want those payments to scare you at all. They are due for the first time in many years. And I reached out to a local financial advisor, John Edwards with Edwards Wealth Management, to ask how we can be prepared. And he shares it really does boil down to 2 things so that you are not scared. It boils down to your servicer and your address. Take a listen.
Some borrowers, this will be their first time making a payment. And for a lot of people too, you know, just like your mortgage, the servicer can change. So you want to make sure you know who that is and that they're getting regular correspondence to you, because a lot of the important things will come in the mail. There's people now who are getting notices that they are eligible for forgiveness.
As John mentioned there, you got to know that servicer. That's who you are paying. And do not forget to update that address so you're getting that information that they are sending you. And if you're thinking, Wait, I want to save or maybe have that payment lowered just a little bit. John shares there are a number of loan repayment plans that are available right now, and you can check them out on this website right here. What you're looking at is studentloans.gov. There is tons of help here that you can scroll through and check out some of those different options. There's even a tool on here where you can calculate what you will really qualify for and what that can save you. John shares that under that new Save plan, some people or families can lower their payments to $0 a month if you hit a certain threshold, like making just under $33,000 a year, or if your family of 4 earns just under $68,000 a year. That website again is studentloans.gov. And do not forget, we are here to help you out each week on Money Saving Monday.